A classic story of spiraling out over your partner's ex. That's exactly what's happening in a brand new film, Basic, and we spoke with the stars involved with the project on the South by Southwest red carpet. What do you think makes the film Basic not so basic?
I think that there is a female friendship at the center of this movie that you've never seen in a movie before, but it's so relatable. It's like so similar to my life in a way that I've never seen on film.
Oh my gosh! Look, Basic
I didn't watch it as a kid.
tackles relationships in the age of social media.
Oh yeah?
Which
we talked about it sick, and then
I know how that sounds, but it is very important because social media has a huge impact on how we date and how we deal with our exes and our current people, and like I haven't seen something like that yet.
Okay.
So I'm very excited.
It's not basic at all. Well, because it is the silliest, goofiest disaster, you know, like on screen, and which is our norm. It's like I feel like women, my friends, that's our norm, but somehow on screen that's not the basic norm.
Yeah.
So just I think getting to show ourselves by our friends, something about women like us is like at least somehow it's like reverse basic.
No, I love that.
Reverse basicism.
Ashley Park, Leighton Meester, Chelsea Devonta is at the helm. Absolutely powerhouse, the whole thing.
What you see on screen is what's happening behind screen. Everybody's friends. It's like alchemy, it's magic. Chelsea is single-handedly responsible for making a set that, helmed by a woman, feels like everyone can be creative, everyone can advance themselves in their craft, while also becoming friends. It was incredible.
Yeah.
Basic is not so basic for a lot of reasons. I think you're going to see performances that you will not expect from the cast members. I think you're going to see a rom-com that you really haven't seen before. It's kind of a rom-com in a blender. And so I'm really excited for people to see how Chelsea took a rom-com, kept a rom-com, but also turned it on its head at the same time.
I think the way that they blended the wackiness with the beautifully shot sci-fi of it all, that's not basic. You don't see people doing that too much.
For more from all of our South by Southwest coverage and more from A-List, visit KXAN.com and follow us on social media.